ChatGPT only knows what was on the internet up to the date its training ended. Your company files, your private notes, the manual you wrote last month, it has never seen any of them. There is a trick that fixes this in real time. It is called RAG. Every serious AI product on the market quietly runs on it. That includes Claude Projects, custom GPTs, NotebookLM, Cursor, Perplexity. All of them, the same trick underneath. The trick has a 4-step loop. A librarian everyone has met would recognize it. Step 1. Ask. You type your question. Step 2. Search. The system goes to a filing cabinet. Your files, the company database, the live web, whatever was plugged in, and pulls the few pages most relevant to your question. Step 3. Stuff. It quietly pastes those pages into what the AI is currently reading alongside your question. That working space is called the context window. What the model holds in this one conversation. We covered it in episode 3 of the series. Step 4. Answer. The model replies using both what it learned during training and the pages just handed to it. The technical name comes from Step 2, Retrieval Augmented Generation. In plain words, search your files, then answer with what was found. That is the whole idea. A paper from researchers at Facebook AI and University College London, published in May 2020, gave the technique its name. They described it as combining two kinds of memory, what the model learned and what it can look up. The simpler way to picture it: closed book exam versus open book. Old AI answered from memory, RAG hands it the book. Here is where RAG fits, because the words around it get mixed up constantly. Training data. What the model learned once, frozen at a date. GPT 5.5's training ends in December 2025. It knows nothing that happened after. The only way to change it is to retrain the whole model from scratch. Context window. What the model can hold in this one conversation. Temporary, capped. Claude Opus 4.7 and GPT 5.5 each hold roughly 1 million words at the high end. Earlier models held only a few thousand. When the window fills, the oldest stuff drops off. RAG, a search then answer system. Your files sit in a separate filing cabinet. When you ask a question, the system searches the cabinet, grabs the few pages most relevant, drops them into the context window, then the model answers. Because the AI answered from real pages, it can show you which ones. Every claim with a receipt. Companies update what the AI knows just by adding new files. No retraining required. Claude Projects, ChatGPT custom GPTs, NotebookLM, Perplexity. All of these run on RAG underneath. Fine-tuning. Permanently teaching the model a new skill or style by adjusting its weights. Slow, expensive, changes the AI itself. Lawyers fine-tuning a GPT-5 model on a library of contract templates, so it writes in their house voice. We cover this properly in a later episode. Persistent memory. A saved note about you, the model reads at the start of every chat. No search step. The same note is loaded every time. ChatGPT's memory feature is the example. It remembers, I have a dog named Mango and I'm vegetarian. Training is what the AI knew. Context is what it sees right now. Memory is the note about you. Fine-tuning is changing the AI itself. RAG is the only one that lets the AI search the real world while it's answering you. The RAG products on sale today. ChatGPT custom GPTs. Made by OpenAI. The files you upload are called knowledge. 20 files per custom GPT. 512 megabytes each. Up to 2 million words per text file. Available on the Plus tier at $20 a month. Claude Projects. Made by Anthropic. The uploaded files are called Project Knowledge. On the paid plan, when your knowledge gets too big to fit, Claude automatically switches to RAG mode and starts searching it instead of loading the whole thing. Free tier exists. Auto-RAG only on paid, NotebookLM, made by Google. The files you upload are called sources, 50 sources per notebook. 500,000 words or 200 megabytes per source. Cursor, a program developers use to write code. The feature is called codebase indexing. Cursor breaks your code into small chunks, turns each one into coordinates. A computer can search by meaning and stores them in a separate database. Cursor's own documentation says code is never stored in plain text. Only the searchable coordinates are kept. Included in the $20 a month individual plan. Perplexity, live web search plus RAG over the results. It runs a 6-stage retrieval pipeline behind every answer. The company's own engineering rule is, in their words, you are not supposed to say anything that you didn't retrieve. Free tier exists. Pro at $20 a month, and the enterprise version of all this. Companies build a private RAG system over internal documents and host it on company servers. 3 names worth knowing. Glean for cross-tool search, reaching into Slack, Drive, and Confluence at once. IBM's Watsonx.ai for regulated industries like banking and healthcare. Notion AI for the workspace-only flavor that lives inside the pages you already write. The label varies: knowledge base, AI search, smart assistant. The underlying loop is the same one. What RAG looks like when it works. An employee asks an internal chatbot, "How many vacation days do I have left?" The system checks the HR database, pulls the right record, then answers with a link to the policy page that backs the number. Fast, right, with proof. That is the win when the files are clean and the search is sharp.
The story is not always that clean. Bad search beats good model. If the search step grabs the wrong page, the AI answers confidently from it. Ask, "What is our return policy?" and the search pulls an old draft instead of the current one. The AI quotes that draft with total confidence. The model still hallucinates. RAG reduces it. It does not eliminate it. A Stanford study in 2024 found legal RAG tools still made things up between 17 and 33% of the time, depending on the system. Privacy is not automatic. When you drop a file into a RAG system, somebody's servers process it. Unless the vendor publishes otherwise, those servers may keep it.
Cursor publishes a zero retention guarantee. Most do not. Garbage in, garbage out. RAG, over a disorganized file dump, produces a confused AI. The company is seeing real productivity gains from this. Spent 6 months cleaning their files first. If you have set up RAG at work and it either solved the "where is that document" problem or it quietly answered with the wrong policy, comments are open. The setup stories matter more than the demo videos. The short version, ChatGPT only knows what it learned during training. RAG is the trick that lets it search your files in real time before it answers. 4 steps: ask, search, stuff, answer. The products you already use: Claude Projects, custom GPTs, NotebookLM, Cursor, Perplexity, all run on this underneath. RAG is not magic. Weak search returns wrong answers.
But when the files are clean and the search is good, this is the closest thing to giving an AI your whole library.
Subscribe for AI and Tech Explained Simply, without the hype.